Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from the Santarelli Trading Exchange. First things first, Amazon, huge beat. Stock's up about 12% in the pre-market hours. It's nearing, let's see what it's at now. 20.55 a share, up 186 points, up about 10%. Market's opening up here in about 1 minute. We're going to keep an eye on Amazon for some day trading today. Also, we have some other stocks up here. Visa reported earnings yesterday. Square's doing very well. Disney, Google, Nvidia, we're going to keep an eye on those. And let's make some money today, guys. We're probably going to be doing a little bit more day trading in the afternoon. In the first little bit here, we're going to be watching the markets and looking for some swing trades. If we see any movers here, we're going to be jumping into some day trades. So here we go, guys. It's 9:30. I'm up over $4,000 today from the Amazon trade. And this is how it looks when you have a nice spread going into earnings with Amazon. What a big move here. There's what that trade looks like right there. Let me put this on the other screen for you guys. Alrighty, there you go, guys. What you can see here is our Amazon trade. We're up around $3,000 on the Amazon trade right now. We're up around $3,000 overall for the day. Really nice. I'm going to start locking in some profits right here, guys. The nice thing is our Q puts have a nice profit right now. Up 500 bucks on the Qs. As the market's pulling back here. NASDAQ, the Dow's down about 200 points. NASDAQ's only up 18. So let's take a look here. Let's get rid of this Amazon trade first off. AMZN. Let's close this out. Let's lock in those profits. Buy to close, sell to close. How many contracts do we have? We only have 5. This is about a $1,400 trade we made going into earnings. No one's posting in the trade room about the live video. Let's see, we have the February 21st Expo. Let's plug that in. Buy to close the 1980. Sell to close the 1970. We'll get about, and we're still missing out on quite a bit of money on that. Net credit. Let's see if we could get 7.50. I think we should be able to get that. Let's see. Still has not closed yet. Maybe I'll close it for 720. I could hold on to this, but with the market pulling back here, I'd rather lock in profits, guys. That's the most important thing. Let's see if we could get 7. There we go. That just closed out, guys. That was completed, filled. And as you can see, we locked in about a $2,000 profit off that Amazon trade. And here we go. There it is. Today's realized gain, $2,018.39 so far. Nice gain there on the Amazon spread. Good morning, Paula. Good morning, Marco, Karen Decker, Tom. The cold is almost over, you know. I feel much better, though, thankfully. Skyjack, good morning. Bob closes Amazon spread for $4.97. Nice job there. Alrighty, now I want to start getting out our square trades up today a little bit. Our square trade's only down 15% now, guys. Remember how much it was down yesterday? That's what I mean about patience and discipline. Every day the market's not going to go higher. But if we have an expiration for a month from now, like the February 21st expo that we have, you got to understand that the stock's going to move, and we could take advantage of those little spikes up and down. Square looks great, though. If you take a look at Square 3-month daily, look at Square. It looks like it's going to have that another big breakout, and she's going to go for 80. So there was no candle here that was below the previous candle, was there? Remember our trade plan. If you know our trade plan, you know what to do. If you don't know our trade plan, you're lost. You're a lost soul. You have no idea what you're doing. But if you follow our trade plan, right here, body of the candle never went below the previous body's candle. This is consolidation, and what we're looking for now is a break above consolidation. And let's draw it here. Rectangle. I can't be showing you guys this every day. You know, it takes up a lot of time and we can't do trades. So I suggest you guys learn the trade plan. If you need to learn the trade plan, take a class with me. So there is consolidation. Okay, we're looking for the next candle above or below that consolidation, which I think it's going to be above. I think it's going to have another big run here. Square's looking good. I might be adding to Square. Thank you, Tom, for posting that in the trade room. Alrighty, so Square's still continuing to rise there. Space, not doing too much. Our Q puts are doing really nice today, up about $1,200 on Square. Or, I'm sorry, Q puts. Disney's taking a little pop today. Cisco's not doing too much yet. And let's see, Amazon is only up 8.47% right now. Let's put Amazon on this chart over to the right here. We might be able to do some day trading with Amazon today. This is going to be a really easy stock to do some day trading. Take a look at Walmart over here to the left. I have that up on my other screen, and Walmart's really tanking here on the Today 1 Minute. Let's go to the Today 1 Minute. As you guys can see, here's BDM here. Here is the start of the day. Got up to the 10, breaking down, breaking lower, 115.53. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily, and you can see Walmart still in the NTZ, no trade zone. But it's still holding above that 10. So it's not a bad idea there to jump into Walmart maybe for the February monthly expo. Look at around 120 for a target. That's a trade idea for you guys. Let's see here. What else do we got going on? Looking at the watch list here. Let's see. Gold up about 1% GOLD. Google's having a nice little move there. What's this one? Nova. NVIDIA. We'll take a look at NVIDIA soon. Tesla's still climbing, $645. Unbelievable. $646 now. Remember when this was, I made a video on it, and I want you guys to see. Because what we talk about is extremely important for you guys. Where was it that we talked about Tesla? Let me see. Let me see. Okay, it's not that one.
We're just watching the markets here. We're just getting.
Let's see. I don't know where the heck the Tesla one was. Anyway, we called Tesla right when it was at around 4 something a share. It got upgraded to 640. Remember Oppenheimer? They upgraded it to 640 a share. Now this looks like it's going to retrace a bit. But I'm not going anywhere near Tesla just yet. Good morning, Tiarka. Mohammed, good morning. I sound better, but I still sound congested. Give the video a thumbs up if you guys locked in those Amazon profits. 940, still not too much going on just yet. I'm going to be looking for some day trades. I want to make some quick money day trading today. If you guys have anything on your radar, just bring it up either in the trade room or on the live chat. Good morning, Paul. Tyler, I like quick money too. We could definitely find some today if we're patient, disciplined, and look for good setups. Guys, breaking news below. Russia to begin evacuating citizens from China February 1st. We are now up $1,500 on our Q puts. Let me see what Facebook is doing, what I want to do with our Facebook trade, 205.78. This is having some trouble here. It's right at support. If it breaks below 205, I'm going to be exiting that Facebook trade. Space is on the climb. Might be a good setup. Amazon's kind of holding the 10. Good morning, Jorge Nunez. I drive a Zamboni. Jumped in WWE 50 calls. WWE. Ooh, that one had a big drop there. Looks like it's rebounding nice, though. That's a heck of a stock to get into for the long term. Came right down to support. We have the Q puts for the February 7th 220 strike, up 72% today on those. 73% on those today. Now here's the beauty of it. All right, let me share with you guys something. Q. If Qs are below 220 today, we'll have max gain on that spread that we got as a hedge. So I'm going to be watching that today as the markets continue to pull back, continue to drop lower. We'll be keeping an eye on that. think it's going to be a waiting game for the next hour or so here. See what the markets want to do. Q's, diamond. Let's take a look. I think we're going to continue lower today. I think there's a lot of fear with that coronavirus going around, and a lot of the countries, a lot of the other countries' markets are selling off quite a bit. Energy fuel shares spike higher on volume as hearing Department of Energy to execute new 10-year uranium exploration mining contract with company subsidiary. There goes diamond breaking lower. Amazon's getting a little pop there right off at 2,000. Look at how it came down to 2,000. Now it's back up at 2028. That's a 28-point move there in just 3 minutes. Big moves for Amazon, which you could take advantage of if you're looking for some day trades. I have no tissues in this office. I use them all. Put Amazon over here. Wow, nice job, Robert Clayton. Take a look, guys. This is how you do it. Great job. Nice job there, Robert Clayton. Locked in over $8,600 on the Amazon trade. Nicely done there, Robert Clayton. I love seeing you guys do things like that. What a big profit there. Nicely job. Nice job on that, Robert. Jorge Nunez says, we need to add to our QQQ put position. It's time to be aggressive. Oh, it's only 9:49, Jorge. So I'm going to wait a little bit here. Space Trade's doing well. Not too much going on just yet. Put Amazon up here. Amazon looks like it wants to climb again. Let's take a look how expensive they are. Let's see, the 225 or the 2030. Let's see what the 2030 is. 2030, so we need it at 2060 to make 100% return. That's a big move. Keep an eye on it. Gotta blow my nose here. I gotta find a tissue. The cleaning lady took my garbage. I had some old tissues in there. Oh, wow. Dave, did you buy the 221 and sell the 220? Yes, sir. That's what we did, Colin. That was for today's expo. That was a hedge. Now look at that. The Q221 puts are up 300% for today. Amazon still. I'm looking at Amazon up above here. You guys see these two charts, the diamond and the Qs, but up above it, I'm looking at Amazon chart. I'm looking at Qualcomm, Ulta, Netflix, MasterCard, Visa. I'm waiting for Amazon to start to climb here. I'd love to do a nice day trade on Amazon for a quick 50%. Apple put sweeps coming in for this February 7th, next week's expo. Guys, look and see what's happening with the market now. You know, they're buying some puts. They're expecting this coronavirus to pull back the markets quite a bit here. Ari, I think I'm going to do that. I was afraid to run to the bathroom quick because I know how you guys get when I'm gone for a couple of minutes. So maybe I'll just stick it out for the next hour. Some of you guys get so upset when I leave to go get lunch or if I go to the bathroom break. So I try to make everyone happy. I'll just sit it out. Yes, what's that, Kevin? I think your name's Kevin, right? Kevin, we have the 221, 220 put spread for today's expo. We got as a hedge. And then we also have the Q220 strike puts for February 7th expo. Those are up 89% for the day. And the Q221 puts are up 347% for the day. Still down a little bit on the put spread and the puts for next week's expo, but they're continuing to climb here as the market continues to sell off, as you guys can see. Amazon's starting to climb a bit here, up to 2033 and climbing. Amazon might be a nice entry here for some day trades if you want to look into some calls on Amazon. Microsoft call sweeps coming in for the March 20th expo. No problem. Amazon still on the run, guys. Q's getting a little pop here. Debating if I want to close out the Q put spread right now for today. Only down about 300 bucks on that. Would like to give it another hour though, because anything could happen in an hour. You guys know that. I want to find some day trades though for today. Maybe we can make a quick 3,000 to 5,000 on a day trade here. Just got to find a good setup. Dow's down 250 points. NASDAQ is now down 27 points. I think we're going to continue lower for the day, guys. Sorry for the congestion, guys. You know, hopefully that'll be gone by this weekend. This weekend I'm just going to sleep it off. Well, Michael Bloomberg just passed off Elizabeth Warren in the polls. He's number 3 in the polls for Democrats now. Guys, space is really taking off here. Take a look at space. Look at space on the run. Maybe we could get something for today's expo on space. Let's see. We don't have any expos for today. February 21st. 18 strikes only going for $1.27. The 17 strikes only going for $1.75. That's not bad at all. Look at Square breaking out now. Square's starting to run, guys. Amazon still on the climb. Nice run today, guys. Looking for that next setup here. Karen Decker says MA, which is MasterCard. Let's take a look. MasterCard just had that cross, but Karen, what we're looking for with MasterCard is a candle above 324.23. If we could get that, that'd be a nice entry for MasterCard. And if we take a look at the daily chart, this is looking like a hell of a setup here going into next week. Let's take a look at Visa, see what Visa is doing compared to MasterCard. Visa's getting a bounce off that 20 SMA today. I think Visa personally would be a better option to jump into for, like the February 21st monthly expo. I really think Visa is a great idea here. I think we have Visa up here. So let me give a trade idea on Visa now for you guys. Let me look at the option chain. I don't know why when I come to this office, I feel like I get so sick here after like an hour. Maybe I'll have them come sanitize it. Let's see, Visa. Let's take a look at the February 21st expo here. Okay, so I'm going to look at the 202.50. We'll go with the 205. 202.50. I think that's a really nice setup there, but markets are still pulling back. Markets just got up to the 50, heading lower here, so I'm going to hold off on that. But if I were to do a Visa trade, I'd be jumping into either the 200. The 200 strikes look phenomenal, to be honest with you. This is what I'd be doing. So you get 10 contracts, it's going to cost $5,850. If you got 5 contracts, it's going to cost about $2,425. So that's not bad. 5 contracts for $2,425. Not too shabby there. Visa missed earnings, yes. But look at that pop there. It's holding that 20 and it's climbing. I think Visa's going to continue to climb there. Under Armour, option alert, July 17, 1750. Put sweeps coming in. 500 at $1.65. C, new 52-week low, $35.95 a share. Microsoft, option alert, February 21st, 175 call sweep coming in. 500 contracts at $1.70. 500, multiply that by 170, and that's an $85,000 trade right there on Microsoft that was just made. Apple, put sweeps coming in, 312.50. 1068.22. Gilead, put sweeps. Morgan Stanley shakes up top ranks of FX unit as center of probe. IBM call sweeps coming in 143, near the bid 644 at 36. Foot Locker option alert 39 call sweeps coming in 959 at 80 cents. Micron call sweeps coming in. Markets, as you guys can see over here, the Qs. That's why I'm not going long just yet. Markets are still breaking lower. Let's put in Diamond to the left here. DIA. And as you guys can see, Diamond's near the lows of the day as well. So not doing anything going long yet. Now is not the time to go long. Right now is the time we're going to be looking at puts and the market pulling back and retracing a little bit more, especially with the fears of the coronavirus spreading across the globe and WHO, World Health Organization, just declared it a global emergency. And there goes the markets, guys. Diamonds at new lows. There's the breakdown momentum. Qs, new lows, continuing lower for the day. We might be adding to our puts shortly. See what happens here. Qs are continuing lower. Robert Colin, those puts are going to be making some profit shortly here. Up 372% on 385% on the 221 puts. See what happens here over the next half hour. Still only about a half hour into the day. But markets are still heading lower. Amazon still continuing to climb, 242 right now. Nice climb on Amazon, and that's what I mean about taking quick advantage of a trade like Amazon. Volatile, big swings, you could day trade that, make some quick profits in and out following the trade plan. Apple option alert, April 17th, 3:30 call sweeps coming in. 612 contracts at 910. 910, multiply that by 612, and we have a $557,000 trade just made on Apple there. Micron Technology option alert, February 21st, 5750 puts coming in at the bid. 500 contracts at 465. 465, 500, and that there is a $233,000 trade. FICO, Baird maintains outperform on fair. Isaac raises price target of $450. FICO, FICO, your FICO score. Under Armour, that's from before there. Look at that, FICO. They raised it from $365 to $450 a share. Big upgrade there. Guys, if there's anything that you see that you want us to take a look at, just go in the trade room or go in the live chat there, type it in. We could look at it on the live screen here and possibly make a quick trade on it. So just let me know in the trade room or on the live chat, and we could make some quick day trades here. It's about 10:06 a.m. Still looking for the markets to make up their mind what they want to do. It's looking like we're going to continue lower for the day. The Dow's down about 286, Nasdaq's down about 35, and S&P's down about 22 points right now. So just got to keep patient, look at the markets here, and we're going to be taking advantage of it soon. We locked in our $2,100 profit on Amazon spread that we had for earnings. Now we're going to be taking a look. Facebook still continuing to climb for the day, only down about 27% on that February 21st 210 strike call that we picked up. Groupon's looking good. I want to add to that soon. We have the Q puts 221, 220 vertical put spread for this week's expo. Today's expo that we got is a put hedge against our longs. That seems to be doing well today. Our Q puts 220 strike puts for the February 7th up 89% right now. For today, still down 26% overall. I might be adding to that today. Square trade down $190 today, not doing too much, only down 20% on that. Given the market conditions, that's not bad. The Dow's down over 1% right now, and we're not doing too bad here. So I'll be looking. Most important thing, guys, what's going on with the coronavirus? I mean, there is so much fear over that spreading. People aren't buying. They're not going out. They're not shopping. I was at the mall. I was at the higher end mall near my house called Millennium Mall. That's where all the Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Gucci stores are. Me and my wife and my daughter went there the other day, and they have like a gourmet Chinese place in the food square there, or whatever you call it, and every other one, like Chick-fil-A, that pizza place, Sbarro, or whatever it's called, there's lines everywhere. The only thing that there was no one there for was the Chinese or the Japanese. And there's a lot of fear in the markets, and you have to understand that. And that's going into all these other sectors. If they're not going shopping, they're not ordering food, they're not going to the mall, that's a big deal. So what stocks are going to do well? Well, stocks like Amazon, where you can have something delivered to you, instead of going out to the stores. So you have to understand how this impacts the whole economy and global economy. And that's really important, and that's why we keep seeing the markets retrace every time we hear something about this coronavirus. So we have to take advantage of those situations. Diamond's still breaking lower now. Diamond's down. Dow's down almost over 300 points right now. Dow's down 303 points. Nasdaq is down 45 points. S&P's down 24. Continuing lower, guys. We have Diamond here in consolidation. Let's take a look at the chart right here. And as you guys can see, here's Diamond breaking lower, getting up to that 20 SMA and failing, heading lower. This is a today 1 minute chart for Diamond to the left. To the right is the Qs today 1 minute, still breaking lower. This candle here is new lows of the day as well as the Diamond. So it's really important, guys. Just stay focused. I would not be going long just yet. And just keep your eye on down here. This is the most important thing for you guys to watch. The hell with looking at the charts right now. Most important thing, take a look at the news feed. If you hear anything coming out there, that's going to be moving the markets. Take a look at the Qs heading lower here. New lows. for the day, 221. We only need another 1 point drop on the Qs, and we'll have max net gains on that. Our Q puts for the 221 strike are up 424% for the day. Not looking bad. They're almost green overall on that right now. Paula did a hell of a job with that. She closed out Amazon, I think, and Q's right after Amazon reported. That was nicely done there. Nice management on those trades there, Paula. Guys, I got to run to the bathroom quick and get some toilet paper. Blow my nose. So let me just put this on pause for 30 seconds here. Guys, breaking news down below. Delta Airlines to temporarily suspend all flights from U.S. to China. Cites concerns with the coronavirus. Market's still pulling back there. Qs are at the lows. Guys, there's 72 people here. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like this. JD Poon says Amazon safe to call still. Amazon's still looking good. Slowly climbing. I'm holding off. Q's, new lows of the day. There goes Q's breaking down again. 221.26 and dropping. 221.24 and dropping. Diamond here is heading lower. Markets are heading lower, guys. This is going to be a big drop for the day. If you're looking for a day trade, I'd be looking at some puts for today's expo. Kohl's KSS, new 52-week low at 43.32 a share and dropping. Apple, option alert, March 20th, 275. Calls coming in, 2,500. Take a look at that, 2,500. Multiply that by 4,323. That's a $10 million trade that was just made on Apple. Almost $11 million. $11 million on Apple. Juniper, JNPR. This is one Paula was talking about the other day. 52-week low, 22.39. Paula, did you trade that one, or were you in and out of it? Stifel Nichols maintains hold on Danaher. Raises price target at 162 from 150 to 162. Transocean option alert, May 15th, $4 strike put coming in, 1,000 at $44. Qs are still dropping lower, 221.19. How about that? We locked in our profit on Amazon. Now what I'd love to see happen is lock in some profits on our Q puts. That'd be amazing there. Let's go, guys. Those of you that are just sitting there and watching, give this a like. I'd appreciate that. Otherwise, you're going to be banned from watching it. Just joking. Q's still heading lower here. Still dropping. Stifel Nicholas maintains buy on Texas Pacific Land Trust, raises price target at $947 from $937 to $947. WWE. Wall Street slams WWE following unexpected executive departures. The stock crashed more than 20% on Friday after the company dismissed two long-term executives and cut its 2019 earnings guidance ahead of its fourth quarter report due out later. They might be having a big hit there. Yes, Paul. Dow is down 306 points right now. And we are green for the day. That's what's amazing. Bob said he was the fifth to like this video. Thanks, Bob. I appreciate it. 71 people watching. We only have 31 likes. I want to see everyone. Stop being jealous. Stop being a hater. Click that like button and subscribe and click the bell to get notified. I appreciate that, guys. New lows coming in on Diamond and the Qs right now. Continuing to drop. Qs are heading below 221. And, guys, if you're looking for a day trade, pick up those Diamond or Q puts. Market is tanking after this coronavirus spread. Stifel Nichols maintains buy on Vertex Pharmaceutical, raises price target at $275 from $243 to $275 price target change. Now you guys see what happens. What happens, all this stuff comes in a live newswire, and then Wall Street, Wall Street Journal, Reuters, they all take this and then they make articles with it. This is a live newswire. So this is the live news before it's on the news. So what happens, the news sees this, anything big, and then they go and they make a post on it and then share it with their clients. It's that simple. That's why live newswire like Bloomberg is $25,000 a year. You're getting information before anyone else has it. And that's why I'm sharing this with you guys, because this is market-moving news that you guys could use to make trades. And if you appreciate that, that service is very expensive. If you appreciate that, give it a thumbs up and like this, because you're not going to get this anywhere else. I'm going to run and get some toilet paper quick. I didn't do it before. Got caught up. Someone messaged me. Hold on one sec, guys. Alrighty, just got back. Got some supplies here for the cold. Look at that. The markets are still heading lower. Beautiful. Really nice. We're in the green today, over $2,000. Now, next week, I just love to see tech climb. And you guys see what earnings can do. That's why we're in some earnings trades here. Now we're going to be looking at some other ones. Look at that. RBC Capital maintains outperform on Amazon, raises price target to $2,700 from $2,500 to $2,700. RBC Capital maintains outperform on Coca-Cola, KO, raises price target to 66. Can't wait for this cold to be gone, guys. Let's see there. Kelly Lupo says she has AMD. Let's take a look at AMD quick. AMD starting to rise. So, Kelly, you just asked about AMD in the trade room. So let's take a look at AMD. As you guys can see on the today 1 minute chart, let's look at AMD right here now, okay, and see what's going on. So AMD, we have the 1020 cross coming up. Already happened at 1024. It's been holding above the 10-day simple moving average. The stock's down about 1.7% for the day, down 83 cents. Now what we can do if we wanted to make a day trade, great, good news, guys. Look at Q's 220.83. Going to be in the profit soon. Those Q puts are up 615% for the day. Let's see if it fills at that 10 and heads lower again. Amazon 247 and climbing. Qualcomm's having a hell of a day, dropping lower, 85.57. About an hour and 20 minutes into the day, guys. Morgan Stanley maintains overweight on Amazon. They raised their price target to $2,400 from $2,200 to $2,400. Facebook, February 14, 215 call sweeps coming in. That's a nice trade right there, guys. Nice trade. We have the February 21st expo. They're picking up the February 14, 215 strike sweeps. 700, multiply that by 114, and that's an $80,000 trade right there. Trump administration will lift Iran sanctions on Dalian unit of Chinese shipping company Costco and its CEO on Friday. Now, guys, take a look at Q's here. What happened? Come on, you guys know our trade plan. We got up to that 20, we failed. Up to the 10, failed. Now we're heading lower. We're in BDM, guys. Continued BDM. U.S. farm bankruptcies hit an 8-year high. Yes, Rajot Aurora. I'm still in the square trade for the February 21st 75 strike. That is correct. And there goes Q's heading lower, guys. Our put spread, our protective. Guys, now I want to share with you something. This is extremely important. I'm going to show you guys something. Look at how the market's down so much today, but look at this. Look at this, guys. I just pulled this up on my screen. So today's realized gain, we made $2,018.39 on Amazon. We're only down $185 today and flirting with green because of our put spread. This is a successful put hedge. Here's the puts right here. Up 1825, up 1380. That is a successful. Here's Facebook right here, down $1,142. The top one is Cisco, down 160. The middle one is Disney. This one here down 450. That is Groupon. The one down 320 is Qualcomm. And then below that, these are the Q puts that we got as a hedge. And that's a successful hedge. We're only down 185 unrealized, but realized we're up over $2,000 today. And that is a successful hedge, guys. And take a look now. Watch what's happening. As the markets continue to drop, our trades are going in the green. We're only down 52 bucks, but we're up over 2,000 realized for the day. Nice job today, guys. Now take a look. Here we go. Got this party started. Now we're up $442 as the market continues to tank there. Up $442 unrealized and up over $2,000 realized today. That's almost $2,500 we made today, even though the market's down almost 400 points. That's a hell of a job. Now we're up 600 realized for the day. What a nice job today, guys. Nicely done today, guys. Really a great job. That's how we do it. Our Groupon trade's now in the green. What a nice job. Let's see. Colin Contracting asks, Dave, why do you like diamond over SPY puts? For me, it's just something I trade. It's a preference, you know. You could do SPY. There's people out there that only trade SPY. There's people out there that only trade diamond, people that only trade Qs. I'm just a diamond trader, you know. I do trade SPY at times. Take a look, guys. This is incredible, 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 incredible. We're now up. Guys, take a look. We're now up $2,018.39 realized. Unrealized, we're up $950 as the market continues to tank, continues to drive lower, and now we are up. Wait for it. We're now up $1,000 unrealized and $2,018.39 realized, up over $3,000 for the day as the market continues to tank. And that's what I call a successful hedge and great trading there, guys. Well done. 4 minutes until we stop here. Our accounts continuing to rise even on a bad day, and that's how we do it, guys. That's a successful hedge. Up $2,000 on this put, up $1,500 on the regular puts. What a nice job today, guys. Hell of a job trading today. Really nicely done. Disney's still continuing to pop. That might be a good one for next week to get for next week's expo. I think we could see the same thing happen with Disney as we saw happen with Amazon. Let me see if I have any Advil or Tylenol in my drawers here. Oh, I do. Have some Advil liquid gels. Take a couple of those. You guys are great. I love having you guys with us live each day. Facebook call sweep still coming in for the June 19th, 250 calls. It's a big move they're expecting. So we paid 39 cents for this. Let's see if we could sell it for like 50. Alrighty, guys, we have in order to sell our puts, our put spread. Let's see here. Tools, order status. Where the hell did that order status go? Here it is right here. We have that live. It's at 42 cents by 47. This should be executing soon. You should see this turn yellow or green. This is our put hedge. We're selling for a profit. A profit. 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 We're watching over here because we might pull this back to 40 cents if it breaks above that 20 SMA. We're watching the cues over here to the right. Take a look. See if I'll get 40 for it. I'd rather get rid of that now. Markets are getting a little pop here, guys. Take a look. I'll change that to 35 cents. Submit. Want to get out of that. Get into something else that was executed, completed. Here's our new totals for the day. Up $1,866.57 for the day, so we took about a $150 loss on that put spread. Not bad. We locked in the profits on Amazon. Now let's see. So now all we have left is the February 7, 220 strike puts for Qs. Now what we're going to be doing this afternoon is looking for some day trades. It's now after 11 a.m., so I'm going to be getting off of here, and I'm going to be in the trade room, and we're going to be looking for some day trades. Maybe we could go live again this afternoon, look for some day trades. That's going to be for members, though. So if you guys want to join us, go to www.breakingchartalerts.com and sign up. Come join us, and join us in the live trade room. And this is where you guys could find us right here. So if you guys want to come join us, go sign up, go to join now, and you guys could pick out the membership level you guys want, whatever it is you guys want to do, and you could come join us with our trade challenge, trade alerts, breaking charts, live trade room, and we got a lot of other things. So if you want to come join us, www.breakingchartalerts.com, sign up, and then also look at that big drop now on the what a nice job. We are now up $500 unrealized and the $1,850 realized. Nice job, guys. Really. Disney's continuing to climb here. Space is still climbing. We did a great job today, guys. You should be very proud of yourselves here. AMD starting to cross here, looking good. Well done today, guys. That's great, Kevin. Really great. Did you lock in the profits on Amazon today? Thanks, Kevin. Thanks, Kelly. Thanks, Tom. I appreciate all that. If you guys like this, please subscribe to our channel, give the video a thumbs up, and hit the bell to get notified. And now those regular Q puts that we have for February 7th, they are rocketing higher, and they're now green overall. Congratulations, guys. We just took a profit on our Amazon call spread, and now we're taking our profits soon on our Q puts. Well done, guys. Going to get off of here, and I'm going to get into the trade room. I did not get into the Amazon. My bad. Oh, Kevin, I wish you got into that 200%er. Nice job today, guys, though. I will see you guys in the trade room. If you guys have any questions, you can feel free to message me, text me. My cell phone number is 570-507-4383. Look forward to hearing from you guys. Marco Rossi says, great job, Dave. You are number one. Thank you for what you do. I appreciate that. Kelly Lupo says she loves it. She just subscribed. Thank you. Thanks, guys. And again, if you want to join us and get trade alerts sent to your cell phone, we have notifications. You could go to the App Store. Let me see. Does this have an App Store on here? I want to see. App Store. I don't know if it does. Microsoft Store. I've never searched this before. Let's see. Breaking chart alerts. I don't know where it is. Not on here. But if you go to that Apple Store or your Google Play Store and type in breaking chart alerts, it will come up. Alrighty, guys. Once you guys sign up on the website, breakingchartalerts.com, make sure you then go on your phone and download our trading app, Breaking Chart Alerts. And once you download that, it's going to send you notifications once we're live and when we make a trade. Also, if we make a trade challenge trade. So I would love for you guys to take full advantage of our service because we have a lot to offer. And if you need help, just feel free to message us on Facebook. Either go to Breaking Chart Alerts Facebook page or Santarelli Trading Exchange Facebook page and message us, and one of our assistants, representatives, will be there to help you guys. Thanks, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the trade room. Great job today, guys. Really proud of you guys. Locked in profits, and now we just got to watch, see what the market does here, and take advantage of these swings. See you guys in the trade room. New lows on Qs, continuing lower to 2028. Alrighty, guys. Take care, and God bless. Bye-bye.